Hello, my name is Brian Prigione, and we're here at CES Las Vegas 2019. And we at SanDisk have got some fantastic products that we want to share with you.
Dieses Video wird euch von der SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD präsentiert. Sie besticht durch ihr kompaktes und robustes Design und bietet schnelle Dateiübertragungsraten über den USB-Typ-C-Anschluss. Weitere Infos erhaltet ihr in der Infokarte.
And the first thing I want to talk about is today everyone has more high quality content than ever before. Whether it's 4K video, whether it's super slow motion, 360 video, it's all about high quality content. Now, with that high quality content, there's two challenges that we're trying to overcome. One is we want to give you more capacity. And so we at SanDisk we're trying to push the boundaries to give you the maximum capacity as possible so you can keep all that content with you. Number two, it comes down to memory speed. Being able to move your content fast is really important because we want to give you the right type of consumer experience. Faster memory means saving time, moving content. With that said, I want to show you two products. One is a product that we also launched last year, and you may be familiar with it. This is our SanDisk Extreme SSD. And this SSD is all about portability. It's up to 2 terabytes of capacity. It's very small, it's portable, it's lightweight, it fits right in your backpack, and it's also IP55 rated. Now, this SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD is IP55 rated. What that means is it's water resistant, it's also dust resistant, so it's perfect for that person that's on the go. You drop it in water, you pick it up, dust it off, it's all ready to go. From a performance standpoint, it's up to 500 megabytes per second, which means that's really super fast when it comes to moving content onto the device and moving content off the device. And as I said before, memory is important when it comes to speed. We really want to save you time moving that content. The next product that I want to show you is the next generation of this. This product will still exist. It's great at 500 megabytes per second. What we've been able to do this year is we've been able to double the performance with our new SanDisk Extreme Pro Portable SSD. This Extreme Pro, what makes it different is that first of all, you can see this red encasing here. This is actually an anodized aluminum enclosure. So it gives you a little bit more protection and it helps the drive run cool. When I say run cool, it's because this is super speed portable SSD. It comes up to 1,000 megabytes per second. 1,000 megabytes, as you know, is 1 gigabyte per second. Super fast. So if you really want to move those large files, that high quality content at maximum speed, step up to the Extreme Pro Portable SSD. Now, from an interface, it has the USB Type-C Gen 2, so that'll let you run at full speed. As I said before, it has an anodized aluminum enclosure in here that makes it feel really substantial and durable. You also notice it's a rubberized silicone enclosure that also makes it easy to grip so you don't have to worry about dropping it. It's IP55 rated also, so no worries about dust, water resistant. If you're out in the field, this is the perfect drive to keep with you if you want maximum performance, maximum speed to save time. The SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD will be available in Europe and worldwide in March. From a capacity standpoint, this product comes up to 2 terabytes. So you'll have the maximum capacity for a portable SSD up to 2 terabytes that fits in your pocket or actually in the palm of your hand.